Hey guys, did you recently receive a wholesale deal at $180,000 with the ARV of $230, $240? Well, I'm here to tell you why that may not be as good a deal as you think it is. Hey guys, Matt Teifke, broker and partner at Teifke Real Estate here in Austin, Texas. We're putting out content every day, so make sure you like, subscribe to our channel so you can constantly get these videos and get the updates as soon as they come out. I've been investing in real estate for years now. I've bought multiple deals from wholesalers, I've helped other people buy deals from wholesalers, and I'm trying to give you some insight and some valuable information on what I see as things to look out for and the bad aspects of buying from wholesalers and utilizing the financing of hard money and taking some of these deals down. So number one, whenever you're buying a deal, you're looking at, let's say it's $180,000. You think you're gonna put 10% down payment, $18,000. Most of the time, that $18,000 down payment turns into $30,000 really quickly. You're paying these closing costs and title and survey. Wholesalers are notorious for telling sellers, we pay all closing costs. That transfers over to the buyer, which is gonna be you. So look out for the total down payment that you're gonna have. Going from $18,000 to $30,000 is a huge hit. Number two, the holding costs on this property is gonna be anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 every month. You gotta factor in 3 to 6 months of holding costs to get this property sold. Holding costs is the money that it's costing you to hang on to the property. So you got taxes, you got insurance, and you got the mortgage and any expenses that may come up unknown. These things can really add up, turning your $18,000 to $30,000 to now $45,000. So you're buying a property for $180,000 and you're putting down $45,000. That's a huge percentage of a down payment and can really eat into your profit. If any of you invested in real estate before, you understand that vacancy and these costs can be some of the highest costs that are out there. So you gotta be very careful when these numbers are adding up over time. Number three, you've gotta factor in the closing costs on selling the property. So you've got a 3% commission to the buyer side. If you're your own agent, you can list it for free. If not, it's 6% of the cost. And then you've also got the taxes and insurance at the closing statement. You've got the new closing costs to sell the property. And then you've got to factor in the taxes on your profit. So you look at $180,000, you're selling it for $230,000. You're going to be in it for $30,000, $35,000. You're going to pay 15 to 20% on your taxes. You're going to pay 6% realtor commission. You've got your holding costs, taxes, and insurance, and that's without even factoring in any unknown expenses. So this quickly turns into a deal that you've acquired for $40,000, $50,000 that you might have $10,000 or $20,000 in equity. It's not as great of a deal as you thought when you had the $180,000 purchase price and the $230,000, $240,000, $250,000 ARV. So be very careful and understand how these numbers add up, because most of the time when it's $180,000 and $230,000 ARV, it's not a great deal. There's better deals out there. We'd love to help you find them. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like our channel, and let's get after it today.